How to fix Instagram Reels not working on PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if your Instagram Reels is not working on your PC. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So the first thing you're going to have to do is head over to a new tab on your browser, tap on the three lines and simply head over to your settings menu. And once you have done that, you can try to clear out your browsing data. So these third-party cookies might be causing the problem. So click on delete browsing data, select cookies and other sites, and then click on delete data. And after doing this, what you can also do is right click on your Instagram and then click on this inspect option. And once you have done that, you could just go ahead and simply tap on this and head over to application. Once you land on the application page, you'll find your storage or your memory location. Click on this cookies option and click on the drop down. Click on Instagram. And then now you're just going to have to click on this to clear all of its cookies. So clear all cookies from here and then refresh your browser and refresh your Instagram on your browser. And once you have done that, you can check your Reels if they're working or not. So let me just go ahead and click here. And as you can see, the Reels are completely working. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.